Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Frank. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to fix this common issue that most WordPress website owners do face. As you can see from my screen here, I was trying to upload a plugin and I ran into this issue. So I'm actually working on my client's website now. So it said the uploaded file exceed the upload max file size directive in php.ini. Yeah, so this is a common issue most people do face because that your PHP has a limit, like the limit amount of size that it can take. So when you try to upload a size that is larger than the initial size, it's going to run into this error. So it can range from plugin, not just plugin alone. So if you are trying to upload a video or an image to your website and it run into this issue. So this is a simple issue I'm going to show you different ways that we can troubleshoot it now. Now before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that now and also click on the notification bell so that you won't miss important update when I drop them. So let's get started. Okay, now so the first thing you need to log into your cPanel. So if you don't have access to your cPanel, you need to request for it. Let's say you're working for your client project and you don't have access to your cPanel, you need to request for that. So this is my cPanel now. So this is my cPanel. So what we have to search for is multi multi PHP in editor. So you just click on this. Okay, so once you click on this, you select the website that you want to work on. So just select your website, select it from here. Yeah, so as you can see the post mass size is 8 M and the upload mass size file size is 2 M. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make this 200 here, and I'm gonna make this 256 256. Yeah, so once I'm done now, I'm gonna click on apply. Okay, success. So now I'll go back to my plugin. So I'll go back and try and upload the plugin again. Let's see how it's gonna do. So I'll come here, upload plugin. Okay, so I'm just choose file, download Elementor, open. Okay, maybe I have to refresh this. Let me just go back to. Okay, so add a plugin, upload plugin, choose file. So click on Elementor, then click OK, then install. Perfect, guys. So as you can see, the plugin was been uploaded successfully. So that first method worked out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to activate this plugin. So I'll activate the plugin. So guys, if this first method not work for you, you go to your cPanel, go back to your cPanel. So what we're going to do now, well, let's go back to cPanel. Then you go to File Manager. So go back to your cPanel and go File Manager. Show you that method that you need to follow. So you go to your File Manager and okay, so you choose on the public HTML. So I'm trying to show you other method that you can use to troubleshoot this. So you look for the php.in like this. So this is the php.in. So I want to edit this. So you're gonna click on this. Okay, click on it. You edit. Click on this edit. So you click on edit and yep, edit. Okay, so guys, as you can see, from I updated it initially, so this is it. 256 and 200. Upload mask file size 200 and post mark size is 256. So I already have all of this set up on my computer. So if you don't have this, I'm going to drop this code on the comment section. So you find this code on the comment section. So you can just copy this and just paste it on your file. So guys, if you don't have the file, you have to create it. You have to create a file. So if you can't find this, so how do you create a file? You just go to this at the left hand top, you'll see this plus file. So you click on it and you just create a new file name, php.in, php.in. So when you create this file, php.in, then you just create a file and paste in the code. I'll share the code on the comment section so you can just check it out. But I'm very sure that the first method I would do is going to work out. So if that method didn't work out, you're going to use this other method for it. So you paste the code and you click on save, like say. So if this method didn't work out for you guys, so what you are going to do now, which is the last option, you go to your the php dot htcss. Okay, so this is it. So we already did this now. So I did. So this is the last option that you have. So you go through to the bottom. And you're gonna find it here. So you can see post max size 256 and upload max size file size 200 So guys, this is the method you can use to solve that common issue that most WordPress website owner do when uploading large files to their WordPress dashboard. So guys, if this video helps you, kindly hit the subscribe button and follow me. Also like this the notification bell so you can get more information when I do posts, because I do share tutorials on WordPress quick fixes that really save a lot of people. Thank you.